Hello, this is Greg. So we're just going to do a quick overview of the demo setup. This is the documentation instructions how to do this, but here's a video form. So your demo might not work if you load up the demo scene because there's a few settings that we need to change. So you go to Edit Project Settings, and what we're looking for is physics. So in physics here, we want to go down to contact pairs mode and enable the kinematic and kinematic pairs. That's because that's the kind the demo is using. Additionally, we want to go down to our matrix down here and only make sure that hitbox is interacting with hitboxes and nothing else. If you don't have the hitbox layer yet, then like in the documentation, go up to the window here and go to assign layers. So this will assign layers for the hitbox, ground, and wall, and then you go ahead. Yeah, that's fine. And then you should have it there. So with those two things, it'll be all set up. And then when you hit play, it should work just like in the demos.